This tutorial describes the placing of a bitmap into the clipboard and hence subsequently into a document such as a Microsoft Word manuscript. First of all, we need a molecule. Let's go get one. Here's a ball and stick. We could use ball and stick or any other rendering. Let's do an overlapping CPK spheres for the heck of it. So here's the picture we might want to put in into the manuscript. Probably the background is inappropriate. We could certainly use the black, but this would result in a big rectangle on the paper. It's probably preferable in lots of situations anyways to use a white background, and this will then go directly on the paper without any background. So here's a molecule. What we need to do is set the preferences of setup image as to where this molecule is going to go or which picture we're going to take. We're going to put it into the clipboard. We could put it into file, but let's put it in the clipboard. We're going to take the bitmap of the workspace, and so we're all set up. We have a menu item we could use, but there's a shortcut key called F9, function key F9, so I'm going to hit that right now. You see here that it says screen capture to clipboard complete. So the molecule is now in the clipboard. What we do is we bring up Microsoft Word now and just do a paste, and we have that molecule in the document. We can scale it if we want, but this is the way you put molecules, bitmap images at least, into manuscripts and documents.